Hi people, just a glimpse of Batu Caves and the glimpse of May, of course. Nasa Malaysia ako pero very China ang ambience. Malamang China tanga. Papakanta ka ng Wumanji Nanturin Chi Samsung Kudulay Wasaw Soya Pandura Kawuman Easy Lao Lao Gets. Oh, dumaan yung kamukha. Like ikaw ba to, Tay? Are you the original? Bumalik ako dito sa Kwai Chai Hong kasi last time na pagpunta namin, grabe ang tao, mala people power. Oy, yung basurahan dito ay aparador. Am I the tourist spot here? Kasi tinatawag nila ako para magpa-picture. Ako yung ginawang taga-picture. Di ko talaga maiwasan to. Ako yung nagpi-picture pero ako yung ngumingiti every shot. Like, shot. Everybody. Tas bayi, nagpa-picture na sila lahat doon. Napagod ako.
I think your photography skill is very nice.
No. No, I'm not that good. Si Koya, binola-bola pa ako para hindi ko sila singilin ng 500 ringgit.
Full body?
I think full body.
In that moment, I thought, ano kaya kung maging photographer na lang ako? Terima kasih.